Fact 1. Researchers led by the glaciologist Yevgeny Podolsky have found that the chorus of crashing and splintering noises in the high-altitude glaciers is a result of sharp drops in temperature after dark that causes ice to crack. Fact 2. Dr. Podolsky and his team spent 3 weeks shivering on the glacier in full view of Mount Everest, unsure of what was causing the booming nocturnal sounds, but confirmed they were linked to the extreme cold when they arrived back at sea level and examined seismographic data. Fact 3. Dr. Podolsky, who works at the Arctic Research Center at Japan's Hokkaido University, said, as soon as the temperature there dropped to about -15 degrees Celsius or 5 Fahrenheit, at night, loud noises were heard from the peaks.